Okay, welcome back to question number 5. In this question, I will focus on the idea of the substitution rather than solving the whole question. Now, what's the idea of the substitution? Remember, here in this example, I don't have the same idea as before, a number minus something squared. Here I have a variable and then I have another variable. So maybe the best step is, let's try to have it as a number minus something squared. Let's try. The only thing I can think of is taking x as common factor. So it will be a number minus x. Okay. Now take the x outside. So it would be square root of x. Now square root of 1 minus. Now what I want you to think of, I want you to force this to be something square. Can you try to do this for me? What do you think I should write here so I get this back? And that's what we are thinking of as something square. So here I have a number. I'm in a good situation. Now I want something and I will square it. Now what should be that thing? It is square root of x. Now just expand the square, you get back 1 minus x squared. Okay. Now what kind of substitution do I need to use? Remember, if we have a number minus something square, what you need to do is you take square root of that number sine theta blindly. That's what we need to do. That's exactly what is required from us. So let's do that substitution up here and let's see what we get. Now square root of x, I will substitute it as square root of 1, which is 1 sine theta. That's exactly what I need to do. The next step, I need to find dx. In order to find dx, you take the derivative of this one, will be 1 over 2 square root of x dx, equal derivative of sine as cosine theta d theta. Which means dx alone is just 2 square root of x cosine theta d theta. Take all those information that we have here and substitute them in the integral itself. Now if you substitute them, what you will get is this: square root of x square root of 1 minus, now this one we already call it sine theta square dx. Now it is 2 square root of x cosine theta d theta. Still we have an x, so the best way is let's replace square root of x. Now do you remember how much is this one and how much is this one? Look at here, you can see how we can get rid of the x. This will be sine and the other one will be also sine, so I get sine theta square root of, now this one is just cosine square theta times 2 sine theta cosine theta d theta. If we simplify a little bit, this will be sine theta cosine theta 2 sine theta cosine theta d theta, which is simply 2 integral of sine square theta cosine square theta d theta, which is something we can do as we already did in section 7.2. Use the double angle formula for each one of these, and we did exactly a similar question in 7.2. You will find the answer and then you need to write it in terms of x. So please, if you have any question, let me know in the comments. But this is the idea of the solution. The idea is just to find something which is square, and then that thing will be your cosine theta or sine theta or tan theta. Thank you very much.